Having garnered their most successful medal haul in history, Jamaica's under-20 athletes returned to the island on Monday evening with mostly broad smiles. Jordan Fort reports.
16-year-old Brianna Williams was a standout on the highly successful team, having become the first Jamaican to cop the sprint double since Veronica Campbell did so back in 2000 in Santiago de Chile. But despite entering the championships as one of the best in the world, Williams says she was surprised by her achievement.
Yeah, I was really surprised, especially in both events. It was a hard field, but I got through it.
And she says a spot on the senior team is her next goal.
Well, my season's finished, so next year I'm going to try out for, the World Championships next year.
Another one of the athletes looking to take his talents to the Senior World Championships next year is long jump bronze medalist Wayne Pinnock.
I'm looking forward to for next year World Champs. Yeah, coming stronger next year. Looking for a new person myself.
Christopher Taylor was the world leader over 400 meters and was expected to win the event. But in the end, he said a lack of preparation did him in.
Well, it's a learning process for me, so I think whatever has happened as a learning process and move on from that. It took a lot out of my body, in that I didn't train for the 400 at all. I didn't run anything over 150, so it took a toll on my body and it showed.
Cheyenne Salmon, who captained the team, says she was still very pleased with her individual performance in the 400-meter hurdles, despite falling short of gold.
I'm not disappointed at all. It was a very good race. It was well executed, but unfortunately, it was just not good enough on that day. But I got strong competition from Zeni, and I think she was a very good competitor, so I'm very okay with my silver medal.
And coach Michael Dyke says the spread of medals was what impressed him the most.
We had good medals coming from even in the field, where we had Kai Chang winning the discus throw. We had Wayne Pinnock in the long jump. Those are somewhat of unusual medals coming out, along with I would say the most outstanding performer of the mid, who was Brianna Williams. Christopher Taylor, who won a silver. So overall, I think the team did extremely well.
Jamaica ended the championships with 12 medals comprising 4 gold, 5 silver and 3 bronze, their most ever at the championships. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.